Hello everyone, welcome to another trade with the Day Trader Survivor. AUL, it's looking like it's supposed to continue after getting volume and up and up and up and up, and I want to take it for the short movement, so taking it the other direction. So when it's breaking the view up, I want to enter. It's about 50 cents stop. I'm just setting up all the commands, the stop as well, so it can enter automatically. Now it's a bit early and I'm not sure that I'm doing the right thing, so I'm going to enter only with half of my risk level. If I'm making money, nice. If not, let me kind of lose a little, because I'm not supposed to enter before the opening bell, which I am doing right now. So I'm waiting. If it's breaking out and it's continuing, I will leave the trade saying thank you and goodbye. But if it's going to break down, I want to enter, and you can see that I already set up my partial 1, partial 2. It would be amazing if I can get both of them, but let's start with the first one. So it's still playing, it's not moving a lot. Remember, it's 15 minutes before the opening bell, so it's a crucial time as well. And I really hope that I'm not making a mistake, but if this trade will fall, I'm not sure I'm going to enter any pre-market trades this month anymore. Just the statistic does not show me that it's the right thing, but you know, one trade does not give statistics, so I want to see what will happen after it. And just about to, and I'm in. Okay, so I got my 50 cent stop. I'm looking right now, the most important part for me is how do I move my stop to the entrance. As all my trades lately, that's the only focus I have. If I'm getting partial 1, that's nice. If I'm getting partial 2, amazing. But the most important one is how do I move my stop. Now, it's a half risk, meaning if it's going to impact the full shared and reach the original stop, it's going to hit me just half of the risk, but I still don't want to lose even the half of the risk. So I'm here to make sure that I'm handling the trade as much as I can. Right now, I can't really move my stop, so it might fool me, or it might going to do what I meant it to do, but I don't have a way to actually move my stop right now. By the way, I made a mistake when saying it's a half buck risk. It's actually 25 cents. Yeah, give me a few, just a few. It's like it's coming back to my entrance and then kind of stopping, coming and stopping, coming and stopping. It's really banging. You know, I'm patient. I'm not going to do anything just for the doing it. But I don't really want to lose my half risk level. So I'm waiting. I reduced the risk a bit because I moved it down. Move the stop down just a bit so it's above the 2 candles. So if those 2 candles are breaking down, or breaking up actually, I'm going to leave the trade. So it's going to be half of my half risk level, which is quarter of my risk. It's better than losing the full risk. It's better than half risk. It's still not good enough. I want to see the stop in my entrance, but this stock does really don't want to go in my direction. So if it's going to break, it's going to either jump or crash, but massively. And I don't want to be in the jump. the crash, I don't mind to be, I will love it. But if it's not crashing, if it's actually jumping, I want to be out as soon as I can. And maybe this candle will show me the direction, maybe just a bit. It's not that hard to actually see what's going on the other side. And I lost there. So $23 lost, which is almost half of my risk level. And I did look for another trade after the opening. Like I said, I lost one trade I should have entered originally, and I want to see what will happen after that. So the first two candles that I'm seeing right now is showing me that it's going up. Look at the amazing candle, the red candle that in the 5 minutes basically have a long tail, and then a green one, massive one, and I'm calling it a bullshit. So I'm setting up my entrance below the VWAP, and I'm going for a short, and a big short, and the top will be kind of my exit. And if it's breaking the VWAP, I'm getting in and hopefully getting money here, and I just enter. I'm calling this a bullshit. That's basically what the market trying to do. And the stop is already on the entrance. I don't care what's going on right now, and I got partial one, and that's all I want. Okay, so if I can call bullshit for some trades, I want to call them bullshit, take the money and leave. If right now, and it needs to refresh, if right now it's going back, I'm good with it. I took my money and I left. That's pretty much all. Okay, so I'm just looking for the bullshit trades, and I'm out. Okay, so I took half a risk level, basically a bit more, and took the money home. That's all I want to do. And if I'm looking at the rest, it kinda tested again and then kinda jumped, so I'm good with what I did. I looked for the last trade because it's getting late and I'm getting burned out. I don't want to push it too much. And I saw this trade AMC, and it's looked like it's going into a deep recovery, and there is space here, at least for partial one, and I think it's going to do that. I think it's going to recover, going to bounce a bit, and I want to take it over the 825 if I can. It's 50 cents risk, which is pretty much a lot here, but I think I can get it. So hopefully I don't make a mistake, because right now I'm just a bit over the red of today, but I believe I can get partial one here, which is the VWAP basically. I want to see the trade getting all the way to the VWAP. By the way, I cannot do short here. Interactive Brokers does not allow me to do shorts, so if that direction is incorrect, it's incorrect, and that's pretty much all. I can't sell stocks that I don't have now, so I'm trying to do it right. I just needed to run just a bit. 840 ish will be my cue to move the stop to the entrance. I'm trying to be patient. I'm not really patient, as you can see, when I'm with full risk level. I'm patient when I'm in my entrance, which I just submitted. So now I personally don't care what will happen with the trade. If I can make money, nice, but I don't lose money. That's all I want to do. So not losing money is my goal, and I'm out. So I didn't make any money, I didn't lose any money, I just entered and left, basically finishing my zero. That was a high risk trade, I knew that, and I did enter anyway, and after that you can see it's crashed. So I'm good with what I did, and that's about all, guys. So thank you for watching. Join me by comment and subscribe, and see you in the next one.